density testing, and she had a 70% bone loss in her hips, which is basically a 90-year-old woman with osteoporosis.
Wow. And that's because of the birth control?
Because of the birth control pills, synthetic hormones. Synthetic,
wow.
That's the key. We only use bioidenticals. Estrogens are not given by mouth, only by cream. Progesterone can be by oral or by cream, which is okay and safe, but estrogens have to be, everything's bioidentical.
Oh wow, okay.
This was synthetic, it was a synthetic, and during the time where she should have been laying down her bone, she was actually absorbing her bone, which absolutely people don't realize, and most doctors don't, give this to their patients, is that synthetic replacement hormones don't work for women either. Even at an upper age, they have to have real hormones, bioidentical hormones, real, or they were not going to get the protective effects of the estrogen and get the bone replacement and get the cardiac protection. If they're on synthetics, they're getting just as much risk as this young girl.
Wow.
Bad. Yeah.
And this is stuff that,
nobody knows.
Nobody knows about this.
Nobody knows about it. Doctors don't do it. Every gynecologist and their mom, they prescribe birth control pills to our children at will without any thought of this further down the road. That's it.